So this is Shyam Chetwani, and we have Mr. Gokulnath with us. He's from Chennai, working with one of the IT company, and we have amazing one-to-one financial consultation calls since last, I think, more than 1.5 hours from now. So, Mr. Gokulnath, I would like to know your experience. Like before coming into the one-to-one, how was your feeling, your mindset, and after we are completing a one-to-one, what is your views like? What is your feedback out of it?
Thank you. First of all, thank you very much, Shyam, for opening up my mind in terms of how I can deal with all those financial planning. Because we did have planning, but not in the right framework. So you have provided us a very good framework in terms of pyramid of how we have to look at what is the priority. So which is lacking earlier, maybe you would say, because we are always go in a random. So you have given us step-by-step guidance in terms of how I can slowly like plan for my retirement in a very practical way. It is not like do this in this 1 year and you can achieve this, right? So you have given very practical and based considering my current personal situation also you have assessed. So which is very helpful. So I definitely I have learned a lot when you had given us the webinar where you have given the live entire framework of how we can do the financial planning. So which is where I started with your one-to-one consulting. So it's really very good to have this, and maybe I'll continue to work with you on the future.
Thank you very much. What is the one biggest takeaway from just last question? What is the one biggest takeaway which you really feel was very important and eye opener for you?
I would say like how I can plan for my kids' marriage, and there are some aspects that you talked about, the whole family, how I can take care for the entire maybe 20, 30 years. So that is something I never haven't planned. Maybe I thought of, I haven't planned. So maybe I would say that's a big takeaway for me when given us
Understood. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gokulnath, for the wonderful inputs. And I will take care. I already have all the inputs with you. We will continue working in future as well. And I wish you a very successful financial free life very soon. You will be able to retire rich within the time you have desired for. And all the best for you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Shyam.